Hello friends, welcome to Learn with VM. In previous video we learned how to make an interactive story. If you haven't seen that tutorials, check the description box. In this video we will learn how to record voice and add sound for different sprites. So let's start. So this much I have done for you. First I have selected the sprite named Frog and Lion, and then backdrop of forest, and in frog I have done programming like when green flag is clicked I have record the sound from here, record this, and I have given the permission of sound recording you have to give if you never click this option. So I have recorded and this is the name frog. So let's listen.
Hello Lion, welcome to Learn with VM.
I have done some comedy one, so I have faster it. So and what I speak, I have say in the speech bubble also, hello lion, welcome to Learn with VM. So let's see what it happens.
Hello Lion, welcome to Learn with VM.
So you see same kind of that speech bubble also came and he speaks also. So now in lion, so when green flag clicked, wait for 4 seconds and we will record the sound. So record it. Thank you frog. So thank you frog. This is normal, so I do some faster.
Thank you frog. Thank you frog.
Thank you frog. See,
Thank you frog.
so like this I have done the faster.
Thank you frog.
So let's see and put here. So sound, start sound recording one means this one, and then in looks say thank you.
Thank you frog.
So thank you frog. So thank you frog. So let's see.
Hello Lion, welcome to Learn with VM. Thank you frog.
So you can see how it does. So like this you can also add the sound from backside, and remember one thing, how much second the speech bubble is there, and you can from your understanding you can approximately you can think that this much minutes or seconds sound is there. So like this you can put the wait button. So like this you can also make the background sound. Practice it at home. I will meet you in the next video with some fun. So enjoy it, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.